Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, that is Study with Entomologist. So today we are going to discuss the most important questions related to the biological control, as this is a very important unit in the examinations. So let's start with this. The first question is during ancient days, ants was used to control pests. Among those ants are, so we have to give the name of that particular ants. So these are the option are Oikophilus maragdina and the Monomorium pheromonis. Both are used by the Chinese during the ancient time. Then the first insect pathogen recognized was cordyceps. It is a fungus and observed by the derrimer. Next question is, the Miana bird was successfully introduced from India to Mauritius for control of red locust. That name is Nomodacris septum fasciata. Next is, C.V. Riley employed whom and sent to Australia to collect cottony cushion scale natural enemies. So at that time, C.V. Riley sent Albert Coibele to the Australia for the natural enemy of cotton cushion scale. Next question is, Raquel Carson wrote a book, Silent Spring. So it is related to toxicology and its negative impact on environment. Next question is, father of modern insect pathology. So father of modern insect pathology is Stenhouse. But father of insect pathology is Agostino Bassi, but modern insect pathology father is Stenhouse only. Next question is, principle of insect pathology was written by, so it is written by Stenhouse. Next, microbial control term was coined by, so it is coined by Stenhouse. So remember it, father of modern insect pathology, Stenhouse. Principle of insect pathology is Stenhouse, and the microbial control term was coined by Stenhouse. Next, father of insect pathology. So father of insect pathology is Agostino Bassi. Next, muscardine disease of silkworm was discovered by, so it is discovered by Agostino Bassi. From here only he got famous as a father of insect pathology. Next is, term symbiosis was coined by, so term symbiosis was coined by Anton D. Berry. Next is, term parasitoid was coined by, so it is coined by Reuter. Then attributes of an effective natural enemy is R. So if a very efficient natural enemy have high searching capacity, high fecundity, and the we can say narrow host strength, so that it can manipulate or it can kill the pest in very efficient way. So all will be the attributes of natural enemy. Next is, time factor theory of biological control was proposed by, so it is proposed by Clausen. Next is, in Africa, cassava mealybug Phenacoccus manihoti was successfully controlled by importations and augmentation of Epidinocaris lopeci. So it is from Paraguay. All these three, Pseudoleptomastix mexicana, Epidinocaris lopeci, and one another is there. So all these three from the Paraguay only. Next, Campolotis chloridae belongs to the family. So it is belong to the family of Ichneumonidae. Next, Leptomastix dactylope belongs to the family. So it's belong to the family Enchytidae. Next is, Brachymeria species belong to the family, so it's belong to Chalcididae. Next, Goniojus nymphantidis belong to the family. These belongs to the family Bathylidae. Why am I asking these all families? Because these are the most frequently asked question in examination. These are some parasitoids whose family is very famous. That's why I'm going to discuss it. Next is, ectoparasitoid is, so the Chelonis blackburni is the ectoparasitized. Otherwise, Cotaceae analgati and the Usilatoria bryni all are the endoparasite. Next question is, Platygaster oryzae is, so Platygaster oryzae is monophagous because it only feed on the gallmatch of the rice. Next is, Bracon hibator is, so Bracon hibator is a polyphagous because it can infect many hosts or many pests, we can say. Next is, which of the following is a true egg parasitoid? So Trichogramma Ivenia pundigester, it is feed on the or parasitize the Utica of cockroach, and likewise Tilonimus ramus for the yellow star borer only. So all these three can infect the true egg parasitoid. Next is, Endogramma is, so Endogramma is a strain which is a endosulfan resistant strain of the Trichogramma. So that's why it is a biocontrol agent. Next question is, dose of Trichogramma chilonis per hectare to control cotton pest is, so its dose is 1.5 lakh. For sugarcane it is 50,000, for leaf folder it is 1 lakh, but for the other it is 1.5 lakh. Then important parasitoid in chickpea, so that is Campolotis chloridae for the Helicoverpa armigera. Next is, Tatasticus israeli belong to the family, so it's belong to the family Ulovidae. Next is, Epiricania melanoleuca belongs to the order, so it's belong to the Lepidoptera. Next is, parasites whose immature forms are parasitic and adults are free living. So these are known as protelian parasites or the parasitoids, you can say. Next is, mealybugs can be reared in lab for mass production of ladybird beetle on, so mealybug production happen on the pumpkin. Next, Isotema javensis belong to the family, so it's belong to the family. So it's belong to the family Braconidae. Next is predator Dephia ephidivora is, so predator Dephia ephidivora is monophacous only. Next is Dephia ephidivora belongs to the family, so it's belong to the Pyralidae family. Next, adult Chrysopella carnea feeds on, so it feeds on soft-bodied insect, that is aphid. Next is the most exploited indigenous predator, so that is Cryptolemus montrezeri. Next is Isidon scutularis belong to the family. It belong to the family Syrphidae. In one NET examination, they ask the order of this Isidon scutularis. So remember it also. Next is deliberate introduction and establishment of natural nemi into areas where they did not previously occur and employed largely against pest of exotic origin. So this is known as classical biological control. Next is Baculoviridae has genetic material, so it has double-stranded DNA. Likewise, Rheoviridae has genetic material, so it has double-stranded RNA. Next is tree top disease is caused by, so it is caused by the virus. And other name of tree top disease, please comment in the the other name of the tree top disease. Next is Elcar contains, so Elcar is the first product of these virus. Next is Drosophila X virus is N, so it is a Birna virus. Next, Bacillus thuringiensis was first isolated from the dash disease Bombyx mori larvae. So it is discovered by or isolated by the Ishivata in 1901. Next is who named Bacillus thuringiensis? So Berliner in 1911 named it as BT. Next, sporine is related to, so it is related to the bacteria. The first product of bacteria is sporine only. Then insect pathogenic bacteria that invade the hemocoel, multiply and produce the toxins and thus leads to, so it is known as septicemia when the toxins will produce and they will invade the hemocoels and the blood will come from the hemocoel, that is septicemia. Next question is bacteria multiplies in the insect hemocoels without the production of toxins lead to, so that is known as the bacteremia. So remember these two difference also. If toxins they are producing, then septicemia. If no toxins are there, only bacteria is present, then bacteremia. Next is entomopathogenic bacteria. Xenoraptors belong to the family, so it's belong to the family Enterobacteriaceae. Next is brachytosis in tent caterpillar Melacosoma pulvile is caused by, so brachytosis is caused by Clostridium bacteria. Next is milky disease of Scarabidae was reported by, so it is reported by Dutke. And milky disease caused due to Bacillus populi and the Bacillus lentimorbis bacteria. Next is Bacillus lentimorbis causes, so Bacillus lentimorbis causes the type B milky disease. There are several types of milky disease, so type B caused by the lentimorbis. Then Doom contains, so Doom contains the bacteria Bacillus populi product it is. Next is parasporal crystalline toxin crytoxin in the BT is, so it is a protein. Next is BT is a, so BT is a aerobic and the gram positive bacteria. Next is majority of BT product are based on the subspace Kurzaki strain HD1. HD means, so here the HD means is Hugo Dalmage. Next is reference standard of BT strain against Coleoptera. So for the Coleoptera it is Tenebrionesis. Then BT cry third is effective against, so BT cry third is effective against Coleoptera. So remember it, BT1 for the Lepidoptera, BT2 is for the Lepidoptera and the Diptera, BT3 for Coleoptera, BT4 Diptera, BT5 Lepidoptera and Coleoptera, and BT6 against the nematodes. Next is BT cry 4 is effective against, so it is effective against Diptera. Next is BT strain San Diego is effective against, so it is effective against Coleoptera. Next is dipel contain, so dipel is a product of bacteria only. Then BT sphericus is effective against, so it is effective against Diptera. Next question is the toxin produced by Beauveria bassiana is that toxin is known as Beauvericin, Beauverioloids and the bassinoloids. All are produced by the Beauveria bassiana. Next is widely distributed white grub fungal pathogen is, so Beauveria bassiana is the widely distributed. Next is Metarhizium anisopille produces toxins. So in case of Metarhizium, destructions are the major productions. Next are the Mycar consist of, so Mycar consist Hirsutella, the first commercial product. Next is red muscardine caused by, so it is caused by Spicaria species. Till now we know white muscardine, green muscardine, but remember the red muscardine also, so it is caused by the Spicaria species. Next is yellow muscardine is caused by, so it is caused by Spicaria species. So Spicaria is red muscardine and Saccharia is yellow muscardine. At last question is DD136 contain, so it contain the nematode. So with this 69 questions, these are the most important expected questions from the biological control. I hope you all are finding these very well. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe so that we can continue this series for the different examinations related to entomology also. Thank you.